Hello, good news. Light switching to go with your daddy doing. Good news. Light switch quiet.
How about your light switch 358? Light switch 358 around the desert break.
Oh, 358. Where you at, Kevin? You come on my radio like that. 358 light switch, baby.
Hey, I'm out here around the Mojave Desert, man. Southern California, light switch. I heard you in there talking to my partner, Good News, up here in the desert, man. I just wanted to key down and say hello to you. Well, I got you on the video gate, man. Sounded good, too. Light switch around the gold, 358, with the video gate rolling around the desert. Come on.
Right, 358, Kevin. You just up in here like you on the black gold with me, though, brother. Sure did. Hello, Mr. 358. Daddy, they wave to you. 358, don't light switch the black gold, wave my hand and go.
Roger D, light switch. Well, you sound like you're local out here yourself, man. No doubt about that one. Hey, if you want to see how you're sounding, man, you can see it right here on the meter, too. A light switch, 358, video gates up there on YouTube, Tempo.
Yeah, 358, I go to YouTube and check it out, man, to see what I look like, still will. But the 358 on the west side, old light switching the black gold, wave my hand and cry.
Roger D, man. All right, I appreciate it, man. You have yourself a good evening out there. I'm going to get my little old radio out of the middle of the road before it gets stepped on by some of them big strappers. And a light switch. You have yourself a good one out there, man. Appreciate the comeback, no doubt about it. Light switch. 0358 around the desert of California, and I'm back quiet.
Yeah, what I got to go to, man, and see that. 358 on the YouTube there, mate.
Yeah, if you go on YouTube, you can type in 358 video gate. 358 space, and then video gate, one word, and it'll pop up right there, man. I'll have it listed that I'm talking to you and everything on there. I got a couple of them I'm going to put on there for today, but my computer's being a little slow, man, so I should have it on there later on this evening, Tempo.
Yeah, right. We're going to check it out. Check it out. Appreciate it. 358 on the video gate. Oh, light switching and going to cry.
Roger D, man. Hey, ain't no big thing, man. You know what inspired me on doing this was that old Mod Squad down there in the mini grass, man. He started recording me, so I'm like, you know what? That's a good idea. I want to start recording everybody else too. Post it up on YouTube so people can see it, cause I sure think it's a really neat thing, no doubt about it, man. All right, well, hey, you have yourself a good evening out there, man, and happy Daddy's Day wave right back. Oh, light switch, your 358 around the desert's back quiet.
You're right, 358. We do the same when that does that here, my friend. With the 358 in the desert. Light switching and going to cry.
Check. We'll talk to you later, my friend.
How about it, 358? Hey, 358, west side, 61 in Oklahoma, 358, babe.
Come on, west side, 61 around Oklahoma. Oh, around Oklahoma, no doubt about it. 358 around the Mojave Desert with the wave. Roger D, man. Happy Daddy's Day wave right back, man. You take it easy and have yourself a good evening out there, man. And a good Father's Day coming up out there around Oklahoma. Sounding good around the desert of California this evening. 358 Viper, and I'm back quiet. And that's a 61 Roger. Have a good night.
Hey, Commander in Chief, I'm downtown, beautiful 2 Illinois. Just so you'll know. Hey, Commander in Chief, my Commander in Chief over there around Denver, Colorado. Beautiful 2 Illinois. Just in case you wanted to know, my Commander in Chief. Good evening to you. Happy Father's Day to you. Once again, hey, good news. Oh, Commander in Chief over there in Denver, Colorado stepped in there. I was going to talk to your friend. I heard you telling them to go at it, but that Commander in Chief come up in there, plug my cat me in ear, Illinois smoke on his eye.
Hello, Illinois smoke. Hello, Illinois smoke. 358 break.
Right on 358. see, 358, I heard you up in that taking control too. Hey, 358, Illinois Smoke, so what's on your mind? Come on.
Hey, not a whole lot, Illinois Smoke. I just hear that DX rolling in, man. Just want to key this thing down and say hello. Try to get as much as we can before we head in the house, man. My wife and my daughter want to play Monopoly, so trying to get in where I can fit in before I go in the house there, Tivo.
Yeah, that'll be real good news, sliding in the cabinet microphone. Hey, Chief, that'll be real good news. I just slide in the microphone. But listen, hey, good news. Do me a favor. Can you come back and do it? Illinois Smoke, where you coming from? Where are you?
I'm a neighbor of Good News. I'm Good News' neighbor out here around the Mojave Desert, Southern Cal. Hey, Illinois Smoke, I got you sitting here on a videogate too, man. Hey, Illinois Smoke, if you want to check out that videogate later on this evening, 358 videogates up on YouTube, man. Just trying to put it out there so you can see what you're looking like around the desert of California. Me and this old broken down Cobra 142 on this great big 6 element with the wave.
Hey, 358, you that tell me good news, come up on the show. You was good news out there around the Mojave Desert. Good to you, 358 out there around the Mojave Desert. Good to you once again, good news. Victorville, California. Commander-in-Chief, I don't know where you went, but you're up in there, but you're in the bottom end of the totem pole. Illinois Smoke, down, Illinois. There's some of my other buddies getting in their feet wet. Illinois Smoke, you understand by?
Hey, Illinois Smoke. Good News is in Victorville, like you said. And I'm one city over. I'm in a city called Hesperia, man. Anyways, hey, Illinois Smoke, 358 videogates up on YouTube, man. Check it out. You can see what you're looking like coming out here in this desert. Tempo.
Real good traffic, good news. Hey, good news, real good traffic. Real good traffic, good news. Victorville, California. Community people, sounded loud and proud that last transmission, no doubt about that. I'm going to stand down. Good news, Victorville, California. Illinois Smoke, downtown, Illinois. Understood by.
Hey, Illinois Smoke. 358 videogates up on YouTube. Check it out, man. You can see what you look like. I'm back quiet. So